how to get Steam on Chromebook. So if you want to get Steam on your Chromebook, then first you need to open up your Chromebook settings and you need to go with the developer options. Under developer, you need to turn on the Linux option. So make sure to install the Linux. Once you've installed, you need to go with the Chrome. Under Chrome, you need to search for Chrome flags and hit the enter. Once you're on the Chrome flags, you need to go for the flags search, and under search, you need to search for GPU support. Once you search for GPU support, now you will have this kind of interface where you just need to simply enable the GPU support. And under GPU support, now you have installed the Linux application or Linux, right? So you just need to go with the option which is pointer lock for Linux application. So if you've installed it, you will have that option. So you just need to simply go with that option and then go for enable. And once you enable that option, then you just need to open up your command, right click on it and go for run as administrator. And here you need to paste a command, which I'll be mentioning in the description. Once you've pasted, hit the enter, and once you hit the enter, you will get the Steam on your Chromebook. So that's how you can get Steam on Chromebook, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.